Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Last class, we learnt about the lesson related to triangles. Now, we are going to see about the new lesson, chapter 5, information processing. In this topic, we are going to see about tree diagram. Tree diagram will useful in computer language because with the help of the tree diagram only the computer aligning and working and all. Okay, first from the tree diagram what you are going to learn using the numerical expression converting into tree diagram and the normal expression converting into tree diagram like that. Then tree diagram converting into numerical expressions. Okay, first consider the example. Consider the numerical expression 9 minus 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 8 plus 2 multiplied by 3. We can try to understand the expression in a better way through the tree diagram. So first consider the expression as E1 and E2. That is 9 minus 4 into 8 as E1 and 8 plus 2 into 3 E2. Okay, from this what is an expression is here? What is an operation is used here? In between we have a division. So division in the circle and we have a two hands. That two hands have a expression as E1 and E2. This is the first tree diagram. The next one, in this we have considered the E1 in terms of 2 because we have a two operation. One is multiplication, one is subtraction. That subtraction considers F1 and the multiplication considers F2. In that F1 and F2 have two operation. That is F1 has minus. So that I am considering F1 as R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 is F1. Then I am considering the represented in the form in this format of tree diagram. F1 is minus R1 R2 is the two nodes. Now same way we have to develop the diagram for E2. And now I am applying this tree diagram into consider into fourth step. Putting together we get the following tree diagram. In the first step we have one that is first that one is division. In that division we have two operation. One is multiplication, other one also multiplication. And that multiplication, which number we should multiply for the E1? 8. For E2 is 3. In this multiplication we have two more operation, that is minus. Minus in terms of 9 and 4. Here is we have plus, that is in terms of 8 plus 2. In this picture which look like an upside down tree. This is look like a upside down tree. Every node has one or two branches. In the circle is called a node. Each line is called a branch. So every node has branches and the leaves are numbers. The leaves called as numbers. Now the branching nodes have operation on them. In this, that node have operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that. This is a way this tree diagram is represented using arithmetical expression. Then now we are going to see about representing the statement problem with the help of tree diagram. Question number 1, that is example 1. In the flower exhibition conducted at Ooty for 4 days, the number of tickets sold on the first, second, third and fourth days are some amount of peoples are given. That is 1,10,010, 75,070, 25,720 and 30,636 respectively. Find the total number of tickets sold. Find the total number of tickets sold. So first to see the solution part, that is number of tickets sold on first day, that is 1,10,010. Number of tickets sold on second day is 75,070. Number of tickets sold on third day is 25,720. Then number of tickets sold on fourth day is 30,630. Total amount is, that is totally how much is 2,41,436. 2,41,436. So total number of tickets sold is equal to 2,41,436. How to represent in this tree diagram? What operation we are going to use here? Plus. What operation we are going to use here is plus. In this plus, what are the branches we have? The 4 days of branches. 4 days branches is included. This is the way you have to represent the tree diagram. Next, we are moving to the example 2. In 1 year, a paper company has sold 6,25,610 notebooks. Out of a stock of 7,50,800 notebooks, find the number of notebooks left unsold. That is, here we have left means we should do the subtraction. So, number of notebooks in stock is 7,50,800. Number of notebooks sold is 6,25,610. Number of notebooks left unsold, that is 1,25,190. We know the how to subtract. What is a tree diagram? In this tree diagram, we have a branches of numbers, that is 7,50,000 and 6,25,000. What is a node? Node we have subtraction operation. That only we should use here. So minus branches we have 2. Third example, we have Kala and Vani along with 3 other friends went to buttermilk shop. The cost of one buttermilk is 6 rupees. If 9 more friends joined them, then how much money did they have to pay? Vani said they have to pay 84 rupees, whereas Kala said they have to pay 59. Who is correct? Okay, so first they are going Kala, Vani and 3 friends, totally 5 members. Then along with that they are joining 9. So 5 plus 9 multiplied by 6. Multiplied by 6 means 6 is a cost of 1 buttermilk. So if you are multiplying that, 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 into 6, 84. 14 into 6 is 84. Therefore, Vani is correct. Therefore, the Vani amount is correct. How to draw the tree diagram? First, we should do the multiplication. In that, we have to add, in one branch, you should write 6. On the other branch, you should make a node with the plus. 5 plus 9. Branches are 5 plus 9. This is the way you have to make a tree diagram. Next question, example 4. If a ration shop has distributed 1 lakh kg of rice to 5,000 families, then find the quantity of rice given to each family. A large amount is given, less number of people is given. So we want to do the division. So 1 lakh division by 5,000, that is equal to 20 kg. So each family was given 20 kg of rice. How to draw the tree diagram? In the node we have division. Other 2 branches we have 1 lakh and 5,000. That is the tree diagram. Okay, ma'am. Move on to the next. How to convert into the tree diagram with the help of till now we learned about statement problem, how to convert. Now without statement, directly sum is given. How to draw the tree diagram only we are going to see. Then example 7, convert into tree diagram. 8 plus 5 into 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So we learned for the sum already that example E1, E2, considering E1, E2, F1, F2, R1, R2, like that only we are going to see here. Main operation is minus, that is a first tree, that first node. In that we have 2 branches. In the 2 branches we have a main operation is plus. Okay, we should add the plus with 8. Here we should add with plus with 5. You have one more branches. In that plus, in the 8 plus that, you have a multiplication operation with the 5 plus 2 numbers. 5 and 2 numbers. Okay. In the second operation also the same multiplication with the number of 2 and 3. This is the way you have to draw the tree diagram, which is very useful. Okay, ma'am. Move on to the next question. Convert into tree diagram. 9 minus 4 into 8 plus 8 plus 2 into 3. What is the main operation here is plus. In between the operation is called main operation, that is plus. When then 2 more branches we have, that operation is multiplication, that is 8 and 3. Here 2 more operation is there, minus and plus. Minus in terms of 9 and 4, plus in terms of 8 plus 2. Like this way only we are doing the tree diagram. Move on to the next question. Convert into a tree diagram. 10 into 5 plus 6 into 5 into plus minus 6 minus 2 divided by 8 into 4 plus 2. Here we have 3 operations, E1, E2, E3, that is 3 different operations. In between we have multiplication and division. So what operation we will do at the last? We will using the BODMAS rule only we will do the sum. So BODMAS rule we have addition, BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Yes. Here we have BODMAS rule, division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. First, at last we have division. So division is a main operation. In the two branches we have multiplication. In that two have multiplication. On that multiplication we have 2 addition, and then that multiplication with 8, and on that multiplication we have addition, that 4 plus 2. In this multiplication we have 1 addition and multiplication, that addition with 6, multiplication with 10 and 5. Here we have 1 plus, that addition with 5, and we have minus operation, subtraction, that is 6 minus 2. This is where you have to draw the tree diagram. Move on to the next question, conversion of tree diagram into numerical expression. So for the instance, consider the tree, multiplication, the main problem, plus and minus is a addition in the terms of 8 plus 2 and 10 plus 5. So we should separate the tree diagram, then only we will find the numerical expression. That is, consider the second note, that plus and 8 and 2 we are taking as 10. We are minusing the 10 plus 5, 10 minus 5 which has 5. So if you are taking that like that, what we will have now? We will have that expression as 10 minus 5 plus into 8 plus 2, or 8 plus 2 multiplied by 10 minus 5. That's it. Multiplication is the main. Then we have 1 addition, 1 subtraction, and that into bracket. This is the way you have to write the tree diagram. Okay, ma'am. Next we have the next topic, conversion of algebraic expression into tree diagram. The tree diagram on the left has less number of nodes and looks simple. The tree diagram on the right has more number of nodes. Can we conclude that the value of both the trees are different? So we have fun with trees, the only we are going to see here. Here we have a 2 operation, multiplication and plus. In that plus, b and c, b plus c multiplied by a is a, we have a formula, that is one application. On the other side we have a into b plus a into c. This is the way you have to find the algebraic expression. Okay, ma'am. We have see the example now. In that example, first example is convert 5a into tree diagram. 5a means we should multiply 5 into a, or otherwise we should a all the a in terms of 5 times. All a in terms of 5 times. Like this only we are going to do. The next example, convert 3a plus b into tree diagram. Algebraic expression 3a plus b. Then we have 3 into a in terms of multiplication. Then you have to add with b, that is plus b. 3 into a plus b. Okay. The next one, 6 times a and less 7, and 7 less, which we have to write the algebraic expression first, that is 6 times a, 6 into a minus 7. So 6 into a we should write the one new node and one multiply or tree, and with the help of the main node minus 7. Okay, ma, this is the way you have to do the tree diagram. We learned about 3 different way of tree diagrams. How to convert the, first we'll see how to draw the tree diagram. Next, how to convert the tree diagram into numerical expression, and last we'll learn conversion of algebraic expression into tree diagrams. Today's homework is in 82, page number 82. That try this is your homework. Today's session is completed. Thank you.